Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color rainbow makeup and a mirror. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw mascara. Then, lip gloss. And after that, a lipstick. Finally, I draw a cute hand mirror. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color using the colors of the rainbow. I start with red for the bottom of the mascara. Then orange for its top. I use yellow for the lip gloss. Then green. And blue for the bottom. I color the applicator with pink. I use this nice red marker for the lipstick. For its container, I use purple. And blue for the bottom. I color this nice hand mirror. For the little heart, I use pink. I color the inner part of the mirror with this light blue marker. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.